Hello everyone, I am ArnavAgarwal, a second year student from KMIT, and this is my project for the second year first semester's elite project school, which is enhancing blog content creation with AI powered text generation. So let's see what the project is about. So the problem statement given to us was let me start off with something else first. I'll start by saying that content is addiction. You consume a lot of content continuously on a daily basis, every hour of the day, every day of the week, every week of the month. So naturally there's growing need of proper content. There's growing need of high quality content, and the content needs to be accurate because the content you consume naturally affects your decision making and your opinions. Okay, and that is one of the biggest challenges people face today. Content is still delivered in many ways. Okay, like YouTube videos, okay, Instagram reels, YouTube shorts, and obviously vlogging and blogs, the blogs which you write. The blogs usually are very informative, very helpful, and a lot of people prefer reading those blogs. Okay, so content creation has become a crucial aspect, and it also helps display your personal branding. Okay, so now the main challenge we face is quality content, creative content, and original content, which is where we come in. We aim to create a web application which can help solve this problem. We can help generate new and creative content. Okay, I'll get on this a moment in a moment. We also aim to integrate a few more features in our web app, which can, so suppose you already have a blog and you want to enhance the content, you can send it, you can, paste the content here, and we'll give an enhanced version which will remove redundancies, which will, increase the clarity. It will help stop the spreading of misinformation also. Okay. So, let's discuss something about the project that I'm going to make. So, the scope of the project. Okay, what is this project about and what does it help? The project aims to develop an AI-powered tool for enhancing blog content. It will use advanced NLP to generate high-quality text, improve readability, and optimize content for better engagement. And let's see this in different cases. Like suppose you're in a business case. Okay, so a lot of businesses also have their running blogs and all to engage audience and to promote their products, etc. So, this tool we address the challenge of maintaining consistent and high quality blog posts. Search engine optimization is yet another thing which most of the companies are trying to get on top of. So, we help because we help them improve their search engine optimization, and we help improve their audience engagement. Okay, and let's see who the product is targeted to. So the typical users will be digital marketers who want to share their product, who want to market it in a better way. Content creators, who naturally they are the one who need it the most. Okay, small businesses, content agencies, just like content creators, they also need a lot of ideas, they need a lot of information which is high quality, redundancy free. Okay, and freelance writers, whatever, it's the same as content creators only. Okay, so we provide some user benefits also, one of which is efficiency. Okay, so writing new content takes time. Okay, so what we do is we automate the tasks. Okay, we save your time. Okay, quality, and it's our feature. We're reducing redundancy, reducing misinformation, increasing quality, and as I previously mentioned, search engine optimization and creativity, which can provide fresh and new original content. So the tech stack which we will be using in this project consists of, basically a tech stack is a series of technologies, stack of technologies which you use to create uh, a project with. Okay, and it is primarily divided into two parts: front end and back end. So our front end is being handled by HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Okay, and backend, the server side logic, okay, API endpoints, communication between the front end and backend is being handled by Node.js and Express.js. So now database, where do you store the user's data? Database, we'll use a NoSQL database named MongoDB, which can be used with Python. and it is a very flexible data phase, hence we'll be using that. And for our NLP, or the one which generates the text based on your prompts, we'll be integrating Llama 3 via using the Hugging Face API. And so in every project there is something which goes on, like some steps which you take. It is called procedure. Okay, and this is the architecture diagram which will display the architecture of the entire project. Okay, so first we plan to make the front end browser. Okay, we are already working on it. Then we'll create a web server. I mean, we'll host our browser so that it is accessible by all the devices. Then we will have to authenticate the users. Okay, so that we don't get in too many bots. Okay, and the users which are using our application are real and are legit. And then we also have some CRUD operations. Then we will invoke AI service, AI processes request, then we'll return I mean, this is all the deep learning model stuff which is going on. And then we'll store the data in the MongoDB, and then we'll take it whenever we need data. So the architecture diagram is being shown here on the screen. So this is the basic framework of how we'll be doing our project. So thank you everyone for listening to this presentation. It has been my pleasure to do this, and I will keep on updating as I keep completing and achieve and as I keep completing and keep achieving milestones in my project. Thank you so much.